Good afternoon everyone. My name is Jelaine Perpetua G. Shervo, and this is my presentation on the automated student enrollment and tracking system for my individual project. So, the main objective of this system is to streamline the complex process of student registration as per the instructor's requirements. The core features include student registration for course sections, course catalog management with prerequisite checks, instructor assignment to sections, and grade recording. So for this, let me show you the full ERD or schema diagram here. At the core of the system is the DB enrollment database, which uses 8 relational tables. These are logically connected to prevent data redundancy and ensure data integrity. So the main entities are here, TBL student and TBL section. The relationship between them is managed by the TBL enrollment junction table. Here it is. Which is the key for tracking which student is in which section, and also stores the status and final letter grade. The definition of these tables relies on DDL statements. So here I'll show you that SQL used to create this central enrollment link. You can see this is the create table statement. This is the query. Let's dive into the 3 most important functions and the SQL statements that power them. So this is the key DML operations. So we have the feature A, student enrollment / registration. So when a student registers for a new section, we use an insert statement to record the enrollment. Here it is. So for the feature B, this is generating an instructor's load report. So instructors need a schedule showing their assigned courses. So this requires a multi-table join to link the instructor's name, the course code, the room, and the schedule details. For the feature C, recording and updating grades, so once a term is complete, the system updates the student's record in the enrollment table. This is handled by a transactional update statement. So for the demo, I'll show you the user interface of my system.
Maintenance dashboard. Here, let's explore each of these. So this is the student's maintenance. This is all fully functional. You can add a student here and their details, their program, their year level, and if you save it, it'll show in this table. The buttons, Export Excel and Export PDF is also fully functional, and you can search the students here. This is the list of it. So this is the program maintenance, the course maintenance, the instructor maintenance, the department maintenance, the enrollment maintenance. This is also fully functional. Here you can add all of the buttons. For now, I haven't added one yet. The room maintenance, the section maintenance, and the term maintenance. So for the summary of achievements and key rules, in summary, the student enrollment and tracking system successfully implemented a normalized database structure to manage core academic processes by leveraging DDL for schema definition and complex DML queries for reporting and transactions. We achieved a functional and efficient system. So thank you for listening. That is for my presentation.